Hi my Bellas, I'm back with another unboxing. So welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing. It's going to be an unboxing from Nordstrom. If that's something that you're interested in, go ahead, stick with me, give my video a big like, as well as subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime whenever I upload. Let's go ahead, let's get started. I'm excited, let's jump right in. So I have my lovely box right here. And this time around, I picked up the item from Nordstrom. So I recently went to Bon Mar. I did quite a few Bon Mar unboxings. I kind of did like a Bon Mar haul while I was there. I picked up a few things and I ordered a few things when I came back in the mail. But this baby right here came from Nordstrom. And the reason is because Bon Mar only had certain sizes of the Kurt Geiger recycled tote. So they had the larger one, and I also wanted the smaller version for whenever, I don't want to carry that many items with me, but I still wanted the cute look of the recycled tote. So let's go ahead, let's get started, let's jump right in. So this is the way my lovely item came from Nordstrom, and it was packaged in there with some cardboard. Go ahead and take that out. Then I have my receipt right here. And then you can go ahead and see the bag. So this is the smaller version, and this is what it looks like. That's it right there. And let's go ahead and take her out so we can go ahead and unwrap her. So yeah, basically, as I was stating, I wanted to have both versions because sometimes you don't want to carry that many items. Sometimes you just want like a purse-sized bag, and then sometimes you want a larger tote for work when you're carrying more junk with you in your handbag. So this is the smaller version of the recycled tote. And like I said, this one was purchased at Nordstrom. Let's go ahead and unwrap this beauty. Also, this tote was available in so many lovely colors. And for spring and summer, Kurt Geiger did their thing. They did their thing. They put out so many colors for spring and summer. So this is the smaller size shopper right here. And I love how lovely the item came wrapped. They made sure they went ahead and wrapped it really, really nicely. And look at that beautiful blue peeping on out. So let's go ahead and take the paper wrapping off of her and unveil this beauty. Here she is. Yeah, this smaller size is going to be very nice when you just want to carry a handbag rather than the larger tote when you're carrying like a work bag. So nice. I'm going to come back. I'm going to make sure I come back later and do a comparison between the larger tote and the smaller size tote so that you ladies can decide which one works better for you. So let's go ahead and take the wrapping off. And there were so many lovely bags while I was at Bon Mar shopping, and so many bags at Nordstrom as well, and online at both websites, Nordstrom.com and bonmar.com. So go ahead and check those out. I'll have everything linked down below for you as well. So this one came in the lovely, beautiful pink color as well that looks very, very nice with my Steve Madden gym shoes right here. The lovely pink color is so beautiful, and it matches up so nicely with my Steve Madden shoes. That looks so nice together for the spring and for the summer months. As well as this lovely blue is going to look so nice for the spring and the summer months. Such a beautiful bag. And it has leather at the bottom. And what I love about these totes are they are expandable, where you can go ahead and open them up and make them larger if you want to. They come equipped with snaps on the side, which initially I didn't even realize that. I went ahead, I was interested in this bag and I went ahead and I ordered it. And when I got it in the mail, my first one, that's when I realized that you can go ahead and expand them. When I was looking at them online, I didn't even realize that. But that is such a nice feature. It really helps with, you guys know, at least I know as a lady, when I go out sometimes, I come home sometimes with more items crammed in my bag than I leave the house with. When I leave the house, I try to have my bag with just my essentials. And over the course of the day, as I'm out and about at work and shopping at Walgreens and different places, CVS or wherever, in your car, sometimes you put something in your bag and you're adding things in your bag, a charger, an air freshener, and then you need to go ahead and expand it and make more room. You might put a water bottle in there or something. So sometimes you do need to go ahead and expand your bag and make more room. So this is what she looks like right here. All that beautiful nylon, so pretty. And let's go ahead and zip her up and take a look at the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and take off her tag right here so we can enjoy this beauty. I think the tag is getting in the way so we could see her a little bit better. That's better. Now I could see her lovely face shining through. So lovely. And then on the interior here, we also have some plastic on this tab. I'm gonna remove that on the leather tab. And next we have her dust bag in here. So she came with her dust bag. I love the Kurt Geiger dust bags. They're so plush and so soft. And to reveal the lovely interior of my new baby, that's what she looks like in there. Beautiful black, and then a strip of leather along the pocket, and then she has a zippable pocket on the other side as well. This is what she looks like. That satin is just gorgeous. And leather straps and handles. And then under the bottom is leather as well. These are such nice, beautiful tote bags for the spring and for the summer. And you can just go ahead and wear them and enjoy them to work or just as an everyday carry. They're gonna be able to hold everything. Matter of fact, I thought this one would look so cute with, let me go ahead and put her right here. I thought the color of this one would look so cute with my Longchamp. You know, they don't match up perfectly, but I thought I could go ahead and use my Longchamp accessories in that particular recycled tote. So here it would be with the Longchamp accessories. I think that would look so adorably cute with that color. I think that's gonna look really nice with the Longchamp accessories. So cute. The Longchamp is going to be inside, so it doesn't have to match perfectly. But I don't know. I had a vision for these two together. I'll decide if that's how I want to carry them. I thought this would look really cute with it as well. This little fur pouch that I have right here. It's just a little fur pouch to carry on the interior. I thought this little fur pouch would look so cute with my Longchamp coin purse to carry on the inside there. I may switch up and do other accessories. I just wanted to kind of give you a little starting point of an idea of how I may carry her. Also, I think this would look really cute matching it up with your Kurt Geiger sandals and your Kurt Geiger mules or your Kurt Geiger flip-flops or even Michael Kors. You could wear it with any flip-flops for the summertime. It'll look so cute. You know, maybe take it to the beach if you want to wear this as a beach handbag. There's only a little bit of leather at the bottom and durable leather handle, but the rest of the bag is recycled nylon. So it would make a really cute beach bag as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel, and I'll see you guys soon in another video.